Assalamu alaikum dear kids. I'm your science teacher Zubaida Sultana, class 1. Today we are going to learn from unit 3 chapter 6. And what is the name of this chapter? This is food and shelter for animals. So in this chapter we are going to learn about food and shelter for animals. We know that all animals need food to live and grow, and they move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Here we will learn food that animals eat and homes that animals live in. So at first we are going to learn food that animals eat. So you can see here some plants, seeds, insect, worm, flesh of animals, right? So these are the foods of animals. Here you can see horses and cows. So different kind of animals, they eat different kinds of food. Here animals such as horses and cows, they eat plants. On the other hand, hens and squirrels, they eat seeds. Okay, they eat seeds. So you can see here lizard and woodpecker, right? They eat insects and worms. Okay, they never eat plants and seeds. They eat what? Insects and worms. You can see that in the picture. And you can see here tigers and lions. They eat plants? No, they eat the flesh of other animals, right? Wow, here we can see crows and bears. And the funny part is that the crows and bears, they eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Remember that. Animals such as crows and bears, they eat both plants and flesh of other animals. And here you can see a frog is eating insect. So a frog has a long sticky tongue. When it spots an insect, it puts out its long tongue to catch the insect, like this picture. Okay, let's go to the next one. You can see here homes that animals live in. We can see here forest, cave, beehive, hollows of trees, nest and burrow. So at first we have to know what is forest. A forest is a large area that covered with trees and plants. A forest is a home of many animals. Most animals live in forest, right? Because it's an open place. At first we can see here giraffe, rhinoceros, elephants, deers, they live in forest. Okay. And some animals, they live in the hollows of the tree. Here you can see owl and squirrels, they live in the hollows of the trees. They live in hollow trees. You can see here a hole in the tree. It's called hollows. Okay, and you can see here on the right side it's a cave. Okay, it's a cave. It's a kind of big bore, right? It's called cave. So bat, tigers, lions, bears, they live in cave. And some animals, what they do? They make their own homes, like rabbit. They dig a big hole in the ground. It's called burrow. They live in a burrow. Okay, and you can see here nice home of bees. It's called beehive. Bees make a beehive. Okay, they live in here. And after that you can see here a nest and a bird. So yes, birds, they live in nests. They make a nest of their own. They lay eggs in here and raise their chicks. and they make these nets with straw, twigs, leaves and cotton. And some animals we keep them with us. Okay, so you can see here a horse in a stable. So horses are kept in a stable, and cows they kept in a shed. Fish sometimes we keep them in an aquarium, and dogs they kept in a kennel. Okay, so in this chapter we have learned the food and homes of animals. They all are different, right? Because animals are different. They live in different places. They eat different foods, right? So no more today. Please revise this chapter very well. So thank you very much.